I've known Dr. Receveur for many years. He was my neighbor when he was a little boy. I knew that the type of kid he was, that he would definitely be a good dentist. My daughter had gone to him, and she was very, very pleased and said, "Mom, if you ever need a dentist, be sure and go to Dr. Receveur." And which I did. I had a lot of work done at the time, and then I started having little other problems. This was years later. So naturally I went back to Dr. Ron, and he told me what needed to be. And I said, "Oh, don't tell me that I'm going to need," we was going to do a bridge, but there was a problem there, and so he explained to me that he didn't think that he could get a bridge in right, but a partial. I said, "No, you know how I feel about partials." So he said, "Well, then it would be implants." So as he talked to me about it, and I'd gone home to think about it, and I thought, well, in fact, he really showed me a set of implants that I think really convinced me that that was the way to go. So, which I did, and he assured me there would be very little pain, and which there wasn't. He gave me some antibiotics to make sure everything would be okay. Gave me his phone number. He said, "It doesn't matter what time, day or night, if you get into any trouble, you give me a call." And there was no problem. He always calls that evening that he done the work to make sure that I was all right. Everything was. So I got my implants, and I will tell you that if I ever needed anything again, I mean as far as bridge or anything, I would go to implants. They're wonderful. You don't have to worry about while you're eating, you know, there could be a little bit of a problem there. It's just like having your own teeth. So again, I think implants is wonderful. Ron does such a good job with it. I'd recommend him to anyone, and I assure you that he will do you a good job.